there you have it, the beautiful 620-foot Multnomah Falls. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Steve, your guide through the Pacific Northwest, taking you to see waterfalls, scenic vistas, mountains, lakes, and rivers. So I want you to click the subscribe button and notification bell and adventure with me. So today's adventure brings us alongside the Columbia River Gorge to see Oregon's tallest and most recognized waterfall, the awe-inspiring Multnomah Falls. This is a 620-foot waterfall that has 3 drops. The first drop is really hard to see on top. It's only about 10 feet, but the main drop is 542 feet, and then the third drop is 69 feet. Now, this isn't really going to be much of a hike. It's just a quick walk from the parking lot, but this is a beautiful waterfall, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, there you have it, the beautiful 620-foot Multnomah Falls. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing Oregon's tallest waterfall. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button because I want you to continue to adventure with me. And don't forget to share this video if you know anyone else who likes to see waterfalls. And then I'll catch you next time. Take care.